Hi, this is Mandy Chan. Welcome to my video, take 21 or more. Have you heard about the Event Emitter? If not, good, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll talk about a few things. What is the Event Emitter? And also, how the new Alexa SDK uses the Event Emitter. What it means to register events. Next, I'll walk you through how to use the Event Emitter. At the end of the video, we'll take a brief look at the Hello World example in the new SDK and how it makes use of the Event Emitter. Are you ready? Okay, I'll take that as a yes. So what is the Event Emitter? Event Emitter is a class found in the Events Node module. It allows you to listen for events and assign actions for when the events occur. Now let's take a look at some code. We begin by requiring the Events module. Then we create a new Event Emitter object. In this case, we are calling it Emitter. This object has two main methods that we use for events, on and emit. Notice at this point, the events have not been registered yet. To register the event, we use the method on. This method takes two parameters. First, being a string, which is the name of the event. And we are going to call the event name tell here. Second, being the listener, which is the function that gets invoked when the event occurs. And I'm going to highlight the listener function in green so you can see that. This listener function will print out "Hello, Mandy" in the console when the event happens. After everything is set up, now we can invoke the listener function by emitting the event tell. Just pass in the event name tell. Okay, let's run the code. There you go. Hello, Mandy. It is important to note that you should register the listener before you emit the event. If you call emit and there is no corresponding listener, you won't receive an error and nothing will happen. Given that we have a basic understanding of the Event Emitter, let's take a quick look at the Hello World example using the new SDK. There are two things that stand out here. The first is there are no listeners explicitly registered using the on method. Instead, it is handled by the new SDK when you call the register handlers method on line 6. The second thing is the use of emit to invoke the listener. You can see an example of this when we invoke say hello on line 12. That is the same method we used earlier when we walked through the code. Notice, one event can emit another event. In this example, Hello World intent event emit the say hello event on line 15. If you want to learn more about how the Alexa SDK uses the Event Emitter at its core, I recommend you checking out their GitHub project. I provided the link down below. Thank you for watching my video.